I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit out.
What's up with you guys? So today we are back with another video. But nah, for real. Today we are back with another video. Today we'll be doing a remix. I had did a shoe like this before, but in silver. But today we'll be doing silver and gold. But without further ado, we can get straight into this video. So just for this process right here, I was just sending my shoe down with my nail driller link in a description down below. This is my new nail driller. But yeah, on this part right here, I think I had started putting on a jade or Jada. I don't know how she pronounce it, but I'm just going to say either Jade or Jada. But yeah, I'm trying to, try something new, so I'm just, talking in this video, I guess. But yeah, how was y'all a day and stuff? Like, let me know down below. Oh yeah, so for this part right here, I got rhinestone because she said that she wanted some chains on the shoe. I just thought that this would really be so cool because it like has this chains in it. So for this part right here, I had used my jewelry and metal glue, and I think I had my this one too. So yeah, I had used them both. So yeah. So like right here, the freaking glue got stuck or something. So it took probably about like 5 to 10 minutes to do, and yeah, these things be getting dried up so fast. But yeah, here's me just putting it there and stuff, squeezing it like hard. But yeah. So here's me just doing the same process on my right shoe. Just putting on the glue and putting down a rhinestone. So on this part right here, this is when I had started to do like my zigzag that I like put on shoes and stuff. So yeah. So you guys, this part right here, I was putting a rhinestone like around the shoe, I believe. For this part, I use my jerry and metal glue just because it's I guess stronger. I mean, they both are strong, but to me I feel like it is stronger. But you do not want to use this for like your whole shoe because like it will, you know, turn your rhinestones and stuff white or something. So you don't want to use that for your whole shoe. So yeah, for this part right here, I totally forgot about this, but I have used my 6,000 glue to put the rhinestones on the letters and stuff. Cause me personally, it just looks better, I guess, when you like put rhinestones on the letters and stuff. So yeah, that's what I did, and it turned out really good. So yeah.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse in the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. A little more, give a little less. Now you hate to confess, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around shit and roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a punch. Shit would never us. Shit would never us. That's the real on the real. Are you serious? How you feel? How you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. Don't get it. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse in the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me.
Ta-da! I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I really hope that you guys love this video and that it helped.
Now you hit the canvas.